These roasted zucchini turn caramelized and golden outside, meltingly tender inside, and get crowned with a cool, fresh tomato topping. You need half zucchini, garlic, olive oil and herbs, plus a quick topping of tomato, shallot, capers and basil with balsamic. Have the zucchini lengthwise, score the cut sides, salt well, then rest and pat dry. Sear them cut side down in a hot cast iron pan until deeply golden and caramelized. Roast in a hot 230 degrees oven for 25 to 30 minutes until meltingly tender. Stir together diced tomato, shallot, garlic, capers, and basil with oil and balsamic. Spoon that fresh topping over the roasted zucchini and finish with parmesan and basil. Serve them warm from the pan. Caramelized zucchini against that cool, punchy topping. Serve with crusty bread. The full printable recipe is linked below. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one, lovelies!